So you want to promote your Spotify song and learn how to get email details with AI? Okay, today is your lucky day. That's exact what we're gonna do in this video. Make sure to watch till the end. This video contains pure info and no talk, so don't look further and let's get started. First, you need the AI. Under this video, you will find the link. First, make an account. On DistroKid, I publish all my songs because it's easy to work with. If you have made an account, let's start. Go to menu and click on Get Listened Now and add your genre of music. It will check all Spotify playlists in your genre. You can see the amount of subscribers the playlist have, the name of the playlist, and the contact details. I focus on emails. So let's do it. I will speed up the video.
Silent Beat Production.
Okay, do this every day to get a big email list so you can send your music daily to them. Okay, now I have some emails collected. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask a script for the email. We now have a script. So we're gonna fill all the missing details and URL links and make it look good. Hold on till the next step. It's boring, but that is business. Do what 99% don't because it's boring and be in the 1% that will do this boring stuff to get massive and organic streams. I will do it fast and I speed up the video. Hold on. Okay, now we have a complete script. Let's go to Gmail or the email provider you use and put in the description that ChatGPT made for you and copy and paste the whole complete script. Now it's the boring part. Copy and paste all the email details from all the playlist curators and send them directly to get a chance that your song will be added to their Spotify playlists. It's all about numbers, so if you do this every day and grow your email list, after a few months of collecting and promoting every song, you will have organic followers and lots of new organic music streams. Let's send it now. I hope you learned something new today. I promise you, if you do this every day and collect 2,000 emails, you will go viral. I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for staying till the end. Please like and comment if you think this video is very useful. Check out my playlist where I publish all my free-to-use beats. See you soon, artists.
Silent Beat Production.